Now we're going to cover the gear case assembly inspection. First thing you're going to want to do, rotate your shafts left to right, check for gear backlash. If there is gear backlash, they need replaced. You're also going to want to look at your oil seals on the front. Each shaft, look for leakage. On this side of the pump, you're going to see blue cleanout plugs. Remove the bottom plug. Inspect for water or debris inside the gear case. If there is some, you can clean it out with a paper towel. Reinstall the plug. Tighten with a flat blade screwdriver or a wrench. Every 750 hours, you're going to change the oil on the PD pump, drain through the bottom hole, refill to the top of the sight glass. Also every 750 hours, you're going to re-grease each bearing through each grease cert, 1 pump of grease per grease cert. On the back side of the pump, you have 1 more oil seal. Inspect for leakage, replace if necessary. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.